The Path to Wellbeing project is working all across Wales to get walking at the heart of communities. We've been working with 18 communities to try and improve their local walking routes, to help them get access to the green space and give them the tools, training and knowledge they need to keep those walks open.
So today we are in Coity and we've been delivering a maps and paths training session.
I've learnt more about grid referencing, the symbols on the maps and contour lines, which has been really important. Skills that I can use again, whether I'm out walking with people or by myself.
But just giving people a bit more confidence about where they can and can't walk and be able to get out and enjoy the spaces around them.
We've created 8 new walking routes in this community and 3 of those are fully accessible. So we've got some local volunteers with mobility issues that use mobility scooters.
We've come up with 3 routes which join Llwybrau to Llanlais, and they take in some of the historic sites en route. So I think it's giving people confidence to get out into the countryside on a mobility scooter or a wheelchair. And if they see one person doing it, they'll think, I can do that too.
We have been planting trees in Llwybrau Park. There's trees in that direction.
Today we were here in Llwybrau and we've been working with the primary school to plant all of these lovely trees behind us.
They give us oxygen, they're good for the environment, they have fruit, most of them, and they can help the animals.
Newport's quite an urban industrial environment, and this St Julian's woodland, it's like a little haven for nature in the area. The more you get people coming out to places like this, the more people have a reason to care about it, and that's what I think is really important that we're doing with Path to Wellbeing.
In the Upper Rhondda we got lots and lots of paths, but very, very few were signposted.
For me, the Paths to Wellbeing is just going to make the area so much more accessible for people that haven't really been out and walked in the area before. They might have lived locally all their lives and not realised what they've got on their doorstep.
It's giving the community that confidence that they can access the outdoors more.
People of Wales want to showcase more of Wales. They want people to realise how much of an amazing country this is to come and visit, and how many gems there are throughout the country that are often sort of overlooked and people are not visiting. And we're missing out on a lot of sort of economic prosperity for communities, I think, in that.
So for us as a business, this has been massive. People are booking in with us because of the footpaths. So our business is just growing from strength to strength, and we get loads more people on foot here, going for a leisurely walk, and that's boosted the cafe tremendously.
The Paths to Wellbeing project is important. It's engaging community and different parts of the community to really have a positive impact on their green spaces and make sure that it's there for everyone to be able to access and everybody to enjoy.